I can see it in your eyes. I can tell that you want me more.
All right, guys, welcome back. Our next guest was trained by the Heart Institute, and now at 25 years old, she's spreading joy and sweetness in the beautiful dessert she designs, right? So here she gives us a taste of some of her work. Her name is Kena Bogle, of Keke Designer Desserts. It's a whole heap of Kiki and designers and desserts. Lord have mercy. Hi, my love.
Hi.
How do you do?
I'm doing okay.
Of course, you make desserts, so you mean you must all right? Sweet living.
Right?
All right, so hold on. Let's just tie the whole picture together. So Linstead, that's where you're from.
Right.
Right. You went to school where?
I went to school at Magra, and then I went to Philippa Baptist Skills Training Center in Spanish Town.
Okay, and that's where you found out you had this talent?
Well, they do food preparation, but the first cake I baked, I fell in love, and everything else I want to put in the oven.
Oh my gosh, wow. All right,
Yeah.
so who was the first person who said to you, boy, this tastes good enough, you should do this professionally? Can you remember?
My mom.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, and she wasn't just saying this because you are her daughter?
I don't think so. She's very dramatic. She's very dramatic.
Good morning, Mommy. Okay, all right. Well, how long then have you been doing this? Because I said a while ago in the opening, you're just
25.
25?
Yes.
So how long now have you been doing this?
All right, so I started when I was like 19, and then COVID came and everything. I got pregnant, I have a son, and I tried, but the confidence just wasn't there until I went on the J1 program, and it kicked right up in me. Like everything started pushing. I got promoted to soup pastry chef at Eat Cake for breakfast.
Wow.
I was like, if I can do this here, I trained them. I opened the store with hundreds of pastries every morning. If I can do it there, I can definitely do it here.
You can let Jamaicans eat cake for breakfast. I just think it makes perfect sense, right? Wow. Okay, so you have your own business.
I do.
Yeah. Tell us about that.
All right, so having my own business, oh my gosh, it's overwhelming, it's joyful, it's amazing. I didn't even know that I would actually have a finished product, where as I supply supermarkets with cheesecakes, different flavors, the Bailey's cheesecake, the pina colada, and then I also do customized cakes for people. So whether you want birthday cakes, anniversary, wedding, any kind of dessert.
Divorce, you forgot to mention that too.
Yeah, the divorce.
Okay, yes.
So if you're getting divorced,
right,
let me confirm it for you.
I didn't even know that recognizing divorce with a cake was a thing, right? But
it is, yeah.
Okay.
I supply even picnics. Sometimes persons want to do picnics, and they want the little cakes right there.
Right.
Yeah. So
smaller
I supply,
sizes.
Yes, smaller sizes. So I do all caterings for weddings, banquets, brunch, you name it. I do cookies. I try to keep it like small, but what I'm known for in Jamaica or in my little area is cheesecakes.
Wow. Okay. So what is it about your cheesecake though that sets it apart from every other cheesecake out there on the market?
I think when persons eat cheesecake, the feedback is always like it's clotted.
Yeah, it's cloying, like it's a little bit too much, eh?
Yeah. Mine, it's not. And I'm not exaggerating. Like, I have different flavors also. So I have a pina colada cheesecake.
A pina colada?
Yeah.
What?
And I also have Bailey's cheesecake. It doesn't get any better than that.
I think that's supposed to taste really good though.
And then it has a little pipette that has a shot of Bailey's inside. I also do rum and raisin. I call it my gentleman's cheesecake because of man them love rum and raisin.
Yeah, I hear Brown over there clearing him throat. You're not getting any rum and raisin this morning, Brown, seriously.
And I also have the cookies and cream for the kids.
Okay, well, my darling, you're here to show me how to decorate some cupcakes. So let's get into it.
Yes. So I have here some frosting.
Okay, let me put on my gloves.
I'm just gonna, it's been in the fridge, so I'm gonna get a little light
whip it up some more.
Yeah.
Okay. And when you do it that way, no, it's more, it's
smooth.
It's better just, okay, it's spreadable. Yeah. Got it. Okay. Okay.
All right, here we go. So over here we have the piping bag. And you're just gonna take one, open it up, and choose any tip that you want to use.
Okay, I like this one.
Yeah, this one is cute. This one is more for like rosettes. It's called a 1M. It's my favorite one.
All right, cool.
I'm just gonna get my gloves on quickly.
All right, so I just open this up right here.
Yeah, and drop the tip in.
Oh, I have to drop the tip in first.
Yeah.
Okay, do I have to cut the top first?
Yeah, but you want to measure it first
Got
with the tip
it.
inside.
So put the tip in first. You see, this is the reason why it's,
Yeah.
being led by an expert is important because me knows the reverse.
All right, take
and
your
mash up the
time.
bag.
Push it back up now.
Push it back up?
Yeah.
Okay,
So
hold
you
on.
get a little space
Got
to
it,
cut
okay.
it, and you just want to cut it right here.
Right there.
And push it now. Yeah.
You learn something new every day. Okay, got
All
it.
right. So you're gonna take your spatula.
All right.
Spatula is a baker's best friend.
It is.
Because it scrape
What is
everything.
life without your spatula?
I'm gonna put it
All right,
right
drop it
here.
in. Okay.
Get a little on your gloves. You're gonna
Oh,
get
Lord.
dirty.
Okay, good. So this is a fun thing to do as well with the
It
kids.
is. It is.
Yeah.
My son, I have to be like, get out of the kitchen.
Right? Do you do classes as well, maybe?
I started it. I am actually studying primary education.
What do you think I should do with it in the
All
center?
right, so put it down in the center like that.
Right.
And go all
the way around. Hey.
And as you go around, you want to go on the outer skirt. Yeah. Go again. Don't be afraid of it. Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Try your next one. So
Go
in
on
the
in the
middle,
middle, so good
all
enough.
around. All around. You're getting it.
She's
Yeah.
expert in the
One
field,
more.
you know. She's no
All
man.
around.
Okay. Do you do options that are not so sweet for people who don't like a lot of sugar? You know.
Yes, I do. But
Okay, good.
it's not really requested all the time.
Right, because your thing is baking pastries, and pastries means the sugar inside of it. Okay, what's the
Alright.
most complex thing you've done though?
The most complex thing I've done is wedding cakes. It
Wedding
takes
cakes,
days.
really?
Yeah, I like that design.
Okay. I mean, that wasn't very deliberate. Oh, that's not
Yeah,
work.
improvisation.
Right? Yeah. Okay. All right. So for persons who would want to get in touch with you, how could they do so?
All right, so you can reach out to me through TikTok or Instagram at it's Keke the Baker. That's
Got
for
it.
TikTok, and
Okay.
for Instagram it's Keke Designer Desserts.
Okay.
Or my number 7266.
Okay. And is it that everything on the cupcake is edible? So I see you have some things here, some gems and a whole heap of
So
something.
we use this
Okay.
to take up like the beads. Let me show you quickly. So these are some pink pearls.
And they're edible?
And they're edible, so they are
Got
sugar.
it. Okay.
And we use this, like punch it down and take it up, drop it on it.
All right. Hold on. Let me see if I can just. Oh, I see what you're saying. What you?
Yeah.
About?
You can use the gold one or
Oh, this
the
is so
silver one.
cool.
And if you just want to customize it a bit, you can put pictures on it as well.
Okay,
So you
but are
can
the
put-
pictures edible? Because
Yes.
shouldn't everything that you put on the cupcake be edible?
It doesn't necessarily have to be,
Okay.
but for the most part, the pictures can be edible.
Got it.
So you
Okay.
can put your picture on it if you want to design it in a heart shape or star. If you want to put a crown on it, little butterfly, cake
Yeah.
toppers. You can change it into anything you
I
want.
want to crown one of my stuff. Hold on, let me just put it right
Yeah,
here.
right,
so.
yeah.
Eee.
And then you can get the small beads and drop it all around. It's
Okay.
like, it's crazy, it's magical.
I think so too, and I think you've done a fantastic job. Congratulations on the business, and they can call you, and you'll be able to fulfill the orders.
Yeah,
Yeah.
anything you want.
All right.
You name it.
Love that. Thank you so much for being here. Appreciate it. Guys, make sure that you follow her online, please, and make your orders even for divorce. She's got you. That one for me going to take some getting used. Seriously. Bogle, guys, Keke Designer Desserts. That's the name of the company. More to come on Weekend Smile after the break. Stay with us. Good stuff. I like. Nice, nice, nice. This is good.
All right, thank you.
The east wing and the west wing of this mansion was happening.